Welcome back everybody to another video. I'm here with this 2004 GMC Sierra 1500 all-wheel drive. This model only comes with the 6-liter LS or LQ, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to do CV shafts on the front of this vehicle. So I'm going to take you through step by step, save you a bunch of money. Don't go pay somebody. You can do it. I believe in you. Like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it. Got these axles off Rock Auto. Here's a part number. It's the same for both sides. Step 1, jack up the car, take the wheels off. There's the CV shaft. It's bolted to the front differential. And then you come this way, it's all tore up. And then that goes through into here. So we gotta take a flathead, pop this cap off to get to the nut. This one seems damaged, so I'm probably gonna have to go find a new one. Now we need to get our big ass sockets and put it over this guy. The hub nut is a 36mm. You're probably gonna need someone to get in the truck and slam on the brakes so you can break it loose and take it off. But yeah, it shouldn't be too hard, especially if it's not that rusted like this one looks. I had to use a torch to heat up the nut. The nut had what looks like Loctite of some sort in it, so that sucked. I actually broke a breaker bar trying to get it off the first time until I heated it up. So heat it up no matter what, and obviously we need to get the axle out, right? So the next step is going to be taking the sway bar link out. That'll give us the motion out this way. To remove the sway bar end link, you need a 14 on the bottom and a 14 on top. Undo it, and it comes apart with one long rod and then all these little pieces and a nut on the top. Just so you see how it works. One long bolt, bushings, and then this is a sleeve that goes in the middle. And that's how that works. It's the same thing on both sides. To get these bolts undone, they're 15mm bolts. I used a ratcheting wrench with the second wrench torque deal, where you just jam another wrench in the fork here and gives you more leverage, and then a pry bar holding the nuts up top so that this thing doesn't spin, and then breaking them loose, spinning it, breaking loose till they're all broken loose. And now we can go around and just take all the rest of the bolts out, clean them up with a wire wheel. Oh, this nail's gonna fall off. Fuck. You gotta be careful when you're messing around here. I grabbed this to slide it over, and my pinky got smashed between that CV shaft and my in the control arm, and now it looks like this. And that's gonna turn black, and my nail's gonna pop off. Almost had me to cry. It's crazy. Anyways, don't do that. Both the parts identical, so we're just going to jam it in. I'm going to slide that thing in the same way we took that one out, just in reverse order. Clean off your bolt like when you're in the shower at night. Make it look all nice and shiny like this. Then you're going to put them in by hand as much as possible, and then use a ratcheting wrench or whatever you got to tighten them up. Once they're all tight, then go ahead and torque them. Do like a star pattern if you can, or just go in a circle. If you want the torque spec, go look it up online. This nut has oblong features where it's crushed. That's how it locks it in. So do not put Loctite on it. It has its own locking nut. Well, we're going to take this now. We're going to have someone go in the car, turn it on, push on the brakes. That way the brakes are holding all this, and I'm going to use my big ratchet with a bar on it, and I'm going to torque this down nice and tight. I'm sure the torque value is somewhere around 80 to 100 foot-pounds, so just put some oomph on it, and when it stops moving, it's done. Unless you weigh like 90 pounds, then get a fat guy to do it. Once the nut's tight, you can put the wheel back on and you're done with this job. I always suggest just doing both axles at the same time, because if one failed, the other one's going to fail soon. Plus, it gives a chance for everything in the vehicle to look newer, shinier, prettier. You know, just like the same reason you get rid of your old girl, is to get a shiny, prettier one.